Hello everyone, I am Rajat Verma, a student of Khwaja Mainuddin Chishti Language University, Department of Civil Engineering, final year student. Today I am going to represent a presentation on the topic of rotating bridge having center support under the guidance of Mr. Kauslesh Kumar Saha sir and supervised by Ms. Astha Chaurashia ma'am. Let's see the content of this topic. First one is introduction, second is history, third is rotating bridge, fourth is literature review, fifth is objectives of the project, sixth is project procedure, seventh is bridge dimensions, eighth is project sketch, ninth is advantages, and last one is references. So, first we see the introduction of the topic. A bridge is a structure which is built over some physical obstacle, such a body of a water, valley, or road, and its purpose to its provide crossing over the obstacle. It is built to be strong enough to safely support its own weight as well as weight of anything that should pass over it. A bridge is a structure which is maintain the communication over a physical obstacle, example a channel or a river, a road, a railway line, a valley. History of a bridge. The iron bridge in Coalbrookdale in England during 1779 using cast iron for the first time in arches to cross the river Severn. The first bridge was natural of a huge rock arch that spans. The oldest stone arch bridge can be found crossing the river Melas with a single span at Samarran in Turkey and dates back to the 19th century before Christ. Bhagar and Phuket 1997. Indian epic literature Ramayana provides mythological account of a bridge constructed from India to Sri Lanka by the army of Sri Rama, the mythological king of Ayodhya. In these images, we will see first one is natural arts Wadiram Bridge that is situated in Aqaba, Jordan desert, and second one is Ram Setu, which is constructed by army of Sri Rama from India to Sri Lanka. Swing or rotating bridge. The typical swing bridge will rotate approximately 90 degree or 1/4 turn. However, a bridge which intersects the navigation channel at one oblique angle may be built to rotate only 45 degree or 1/9 turn in order to clear the channel. In swing bridges, the girders together with the deck can be swung about the vertical supporting ring at the pier in the middle or abutment at the end to allow the traffic to cross. Small swing bridges may be pivoted only at one end, opening like a gate, but requires substantial base structure to support the pivot. The typical component of a swing bridge include the large center pier and drum which the deck bears upon some pivot point. The swing may be operated using hydraulic or mechanical drivers depending upon the requirement and the applications. Literature review of this project. The following literature review shall introduce to the reader to past, present, and future in bridging engineering. First one is Yu Fanga 2020 that was given by Ufanga. Rotation construction of a heavy swell arch bridge for high speed railway. Superstructure rotation method SRM can optimize bridge construction in terms to reducing impact on the traffic, safety and overall budget. This paper focus on key scientific problems of the soil arch bridge and takes the world's largest high-speed railway soil arch bridge on soft soil foundation over Hue Hang Highway as the engineering background. Second one is Zuno Saho, which is given in 2003. Research on the critical techniques of synchronous rotation construction with large angle of a T-shaped curved rigid frame bridge. The superstructure rotation method SRM has been widely used in recent years due to rapid construction, low cost and less impact on existing traffic. Third one is Kunsang Sun, year of 2002. Research on the application of a horizontal rotation construction method with flat hinge in cable stayed bridge construction. rotation construction method includes building the bridge parallel to the obstacle, being a river, a highway, or a railway, and the rotating the superstructure into place. Objective of this topic: in its close position, a swing bridge carrying a road or a railway over a river or canal, for example, allow traffic to cross. Where the channel is wide enough for separate traffic direction on each side, the likelihood of a vessel to vessel collision is reduced. Cost minimization. The purpose of a structure to optimization design is to reduce total cost, which is usually accomplished by reducing the weight or volume of the structure. Multi objective optimization, a single optimization that incorporates more than one of three objectives. Project procedure. First one is material. It is the important topic of any structure before the construction. Material. We are used to type of material, many type of material in our project like wood, steel bar, cement, concrete, and other materials. Wood are used in project based site support and bridge span. The major part of our project made up of wood, but it is only in the preparing during model which we are used the only plywood, but a wood is a temporary support structure in the really construction buildings or any concrete structure. Cement concrete. It is a major part of any concreting structure. Cement concrete are used to the middle support of bridge which is called swing base. That is main part of our project. Our project is totally depend on it. We are use OPC, ordinary Portland cement, 53 grade cement, 10 coarse aggregate, fine aggregate sand. We mix in proper way according to mixed design as per IAS Indian Standard 10262 2009, and find a mix M35 grade of a cement concrete having ratio 1 is to 0.5 is to 1. That means one part of a cement, 0.5 part of a sand, and one part of a aggregate. Steel bar are provided in the middle support that is called a swing base. Steel bar are used with cement concrete for reinforcement. Steel bar uh, and steel wire are also used. Second is rotating part. We are use helical gear motor for span rotating. It's main part of our project which is operated with electric control by DP/DT switch. That means double throw switch. Helical gear reduction motor having RPM 3.5. DP/DT switch. A DP/DT switch are used where an open or closed swing or wiring system. The switch is used for simultaneous switching of two independent signals that should work in tandem. Pile foundation. Pile foundation is a kind of a deep foundation is actually a slender column or a long cylinder made of material such as a concrete or steel, which are used to support the structure and transfer the load at desired depth by either end bearing or skin friction. The foundation is used to middle of the bridge to provide the rotating motor and the support. The pile foundation is needed in areas where the structure constructed a large and heavy load and the soil condition are underlying is very weak. Having some bridge dimension, designing dimension, first one is railway, broad gauge 1.676 meter, as we know. Highway two-way 7.5 meter wide with curb. So we design bridge span length 200 meter, span width 8 meter, design speed for railway 160 kilometer per hour maximum, and design speed for highway 130 kilometer per hour. Project dimension: span length 30 centimeter, width of the span 15 centimeter, pile foundation with height of mortar 14 centimeter, pile dia 12 centimeter. Modern swing bridge sketch. It is a typical sketch that shows our project. First, the span in close position, then railway is are not crossed and road transportation will move easily. But it is move its axis 45 degree that the railway will be crossed from one point to another, and it is turn the span 90 degree to its axis. The ship will cross the river. Project images we will see in some typical sections in these images. Advantages of this topic: as this type require no counterweights, the complete weight is significantly reduced as compared to other movable bridge, economical than other added combination of two. A star added to our beach technology, time saving. There is a three types of transportation available in the bridge structure, like as highway, railway, waterway. It is provided a good and easy transportation. It is a good traffic controller also. References that I have studied during preparation of my presentation. Thank you.